0.1, integers and absolute value. We can compare and order integers, and they can be written like this when we're ordering them. We have ... -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, ... These ellipses or ... means it's going to infinity. So we'd have -2, -3, -4, -5, continuing to infinity. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, continuing to infinity. We like to compare integers by using these inequalities, less than or greater than. Example 1, write an integer for each situation. 16 feet below the surface. That would be -16. Remember that the surface is at 0. Below surface would be negative numbers, above surface would be positive numbers. 5 strokes over par would be a +5. You can use a number line to look at when you are comparing integers. We have -6 is what to -2? -6, -2. The closer you're getting to 0, the larger you're getting as you're moving to the right direction. -6 is less than -2. Remember the open part, like the alligator eats the bigger number? So the alligator is eating the bigger number and leaving the smaller one behind. The closed part is the smaller part, so -6 is less than -2. I could also say that -2 is greater than -6. 3 is greater than -4. Or -4 is less than 3. Next, we have the absolute value. Absolute value uses these straight brackets. It's not a rounded bracket. It's not a squiggly bracket. It is a straight bracket. That means absolute value. Absolute value is about the distance from 0. We can see here on the number line, numbers on the opposite sides of 0 and the same distance from 0 have the same absolute value. So here's 0. -2 is 2 units away. The distance is 2. 2 also has a distance of 2. These are opposite numbers, -2 and 2. The absolute value of 2, how far is 2 from 0? It is 2 units away. So the absolute value of 2 equals 2. What is the absolute value of -2? How far is -2 from 0? -2 is also 2 units from 0. The absolute value of -2 is 2. Example 3, evaluate the expression. The absolute value of -4 equals 4. It is 4 units away from 0. On the next one, we can't just add -3 and -6. We need to take the absolute value first. The absolute value of -3 is 3. It is 3 units away from 0. Plus, the absolute value of -6 is 6 units away from 0. And 3 plus 6 equals 9. Example 4, evaluate the absolute value of x minus 7 if x equals -8. Here's our variable, the unknown, x. Is x really unknown? Here it says that x equals -8, so it is not unknown. We are going to start by substituting in that x is -8. So we have the absolute value of x, which is -8, minus 7. And now we are back to where we were on example 3. What is the absolute value of -8? It is 8 units from 0, and then the problem still says minus 7. And 8 minus 7 equals 1.